So you've fallen in love with Sarasota, but don't really love their prices. Maybe you've been renting or thinking about moving here and renting. But what you really want is a home that you can call your own. Just a little plot of land where you can plant your own garden, play your music at midnight, or just tinker around in your very own garage. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some single family options that beat renting and beats paying somebody else's mortgage. No, I'm not talking about fixer-uppers or something that's going to drain your wallet every month. I'm talking fully warranted, brand spanking new homes. Yes, today I'm going to share with you a builder that you may not have heard of, but they've been around for over 40 years. And I'm going to show you today the lowest priced brand new home in all of Sarasota County. So join me for some realistically affordable new homes. So I want to introduce you to a well-established regional home builder called Holiday Builders. They've got 20 floor plans. Yes, you heard me right. 20 floor plans, and nearly all of them start under $400,000. That kind of pricing would be unheard of in Central Sarasota for a single family home. Now, I'm not talking about condos, townhomes, or villas, but I'm talking freestanding single family homes. Plus, they also have 4 floor plans under $300,000. Folks, that would be outstanding just for brand new townhomes or villas, let alone single family homes. With Holiday Builders in Northport, you can select from 3 collections of floor plans: Cornerstone, Value, or Inspire. Build on one of Holiday Builders' lots, or build on your own lot with their Cornerstone collection of homes with the freedom to personalize your new home through design options and upgrades. Or simplify and move right into a Value or Inspire home with professionally pre-selected and curated colors and finishes. So whether you're just getting your feet wet in the market or selecting your dream home, you've got plenty of options to find the right floor plan for your lifestyle and your budget. So let's tour some homes, starting with the most affordable and then into one of their best-selling mid-range models. So folks, you are looking at the lowest priced brand new home in all of Sarasota County. Welcome to Holiday Builders. As you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, 1,100 square feet under air. And this one is priced at, anybody got a guess? Any guesses? This one is priced at $270, including lot. So let's take a look inside and see what we get. Just inside, you've got a great room concept. Let me show you the front windows. So here is your living room. There's your dining room and your kitchen concept. We're gonna go check out this quarter-acre lot in a second here. But you do have a pantry here. Often better than some apartments, I know. I'm gonna give you a quick view of what life is like here at your kitchen sink. So yes, if you've been stuck in an apartment for years, and you're looking to get a brand new home, brand new water heater, brand new everything, here's your garage, and if you notice in the corner there, you've got your hurricane protection. Those metal plates are your hurricane protection, full hurricane protection, which means you're going to get great insurance rates too on a brand new home. So let's take a look at some of these bedrooms. Now this is going to be your HVAC. So this makes your home very energy efficient, having your AC interior. And then there is your full shower and tub for these 2 bedrooms. Here's your 1. There's your 2. And across the hallway is going to be your primary. So here's your primary bedroom. And of course it's an ensuite, your primary bath. Beautiful view out your backyard. And the other one, as we said, has a full tub. This one, as you notice, is a shower. And these wraparounds are great. Now people might think, oh, I want tile, I need tile. Guess what? Living here in Florida for over 30 years, You'd be surprised, especially if you own a rental. You'd be happy to have them because you will have no mold in your tile and they're easy to clean, very easy to clean. So there you go. $270, break out of that apartment dwelling or have a second home here in beautiful sunny Sarasota County here. And let's go outside real quick, take a peek at this lot. It's a good sized lot as well. Everything comes included for $270. And right now, reach out to me, folks, because they've got a lot of great lender financing here with the builder, some flex cash, so we can play with those numbers and see what we can do for you. But lot and home, brand new, included for $270. We're going to show you some more about Holiday Builders here in a second, but just wanted to point this one out to you. Now, one of my favorite things about these homes that makes them even more affordable in comparison to others is there's no CDD and no HOA because you're not stuck in a neighborhood. Let's take a look at one of their award-winning furnished models. So we're standing right in front of the very popular Siesta model by Holiday Builders. You can see there's a two-car garage right up front, and I love this facade. I love this little porch right here, a little shaker front on the front of it, and having a porch in Florida is really a valuable asset. I love being protected from the elements, out of the sunshine, and you don't get that sun beating into your front windows as well. This is just so cute and quaint. It sit out here all day. So let's go inside and I'll tell you a little more about it. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a den. As you notice, it was a 2-car garage, so you're immediately drawn right back into the great room. But just up front, you've got a nice kind of formal dining area. Love that detail in the ceiling. And here is your flex room off the front. So maybe it's a reading cove, little alcove, front office. As you can see, you can close that in if you needed to, but gives you a lot of different variety in this space. And as we mentioned, right into here, you've got a beautiful great room. See, kitchen, lovely tile. So this is 1864 under air. You also have another little dining nook there. Give you an idea of what it looks like from sitting at TV. You can entertain, do all that, cook, and enjoy yourself while you're preparing a meal. So throughout the rest of the house, let me show you a quick closet, which is always a plus here in Florida. Got a full, really nice long full bath with enclosure, tub. Over here, another full bedroom. And just across the hall, another full bedroom. And there's your closet space in there on the length of the wall. And as we come back and head across the house, split plan, we're going to go into the primary. And this is really beautiful as well. Check out that cove ceiling, recessed back in there. Beautiful backyard. And yes, this all comes in with the price. So you can get something like this here from Holiday Builders in Northport for $360. That's right, everything. Lot, upgrades. You can get this same home. We've got 2 available at this price. Here's your double sink, your walk-in room and shower, with towel to the top. You get a home very similar, same design. There's a nice size closet for $360. So folks, there's your throne room. You are not going to be able to touch that in Sarasota proper. You've kind of seen that, so this is where you go when you're ready to make a deal. And as you can see, it's a lot of house for the money. 1864 under air. Then you have the porches and everything. And let's take a peek outside and see what's out there. So here you have your lanai outside the porch, and there is your backyard. So you can enjoy a relatively nice sized backyard, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, plus a den, all that for $360 here with Holiday Builders. So reach out, let me know what you're thinking, see if we can't get you some deals and discounts. They've got some amazing finance packages right now that we're going to talk about, but that gives you an idea. And we're just going to peek in real quick. Here is your laundry area, and what you see here is office space. Is going to be your 2-car garage, and once again you've got your air conditioning HVAC unit that is going to be inside for energy efficiency. So reach out to me, $360 for this beautiful home here by Holiday Builders. So who is Holiday Builders? Their story began in Melbourne, Florida, back in 1983, when 2 brothers set out to create homes that combine quality, value, and affordability. Over the years, they expanded across Florida and coastal Alabama, and in 1999, something remarkable happened. Their employees bought the company, making Holiday Builders the first employee-owned builder in the United States. This means every team member, from new home consultants to their construction crews, is personally invested in delivering the best possible experience for their home buyers. They literally stand behind their product. Now, since there are 3 different series and several different floor plans in each, let's try to break down your choices and give you a little bit more clarity. The Cornerstone Collection is for those that want a bit more space, upgraded features, and the ability to truly personalize their home. The Cornerstone Collection is your dream come true. Whether you're building from the ground up or choosing a move-in ready home, you'll enjoy a variety of design options, including countertops, flooring, and cabinetry. Plus, these homes come with an industry-leading 2-year warranty for that added peace of mind. The Value Collection is designed for growing families and budget-conscious buyers. Need more space to stretch out but don't want to break the bank? The Value Collection gives you larger floor plans and extra room for the whole family, all without overspending. You'll get professionally designed finishes and pre-selected color schemes to streamline your move, plus quality that you can trust. Features include stain-resistant carpets, wood-looking vinyl flooring, and durable concrete block construction. The Inspire Collection is perfect for those looking for a fresh, brand new home with a thoughtfully designed smaller footprint, but with essential modern features and affordability in mind. With a focus on efficiency and value, the Inspire Collection offers a stress-free path to home ownership and lets you start building equity if you're a new homeowner. And it gives you less to maintain for those looking for a second home or who want to spend more time doing what they love with less to clean. Now, if you're not familiar with Northport, it is one of the up-and-coming communities on the Suncoast, between Sarasota and Fort Myers. It's a great place to call home because there are 26 parks and recreational facilities to get out and play in that Florida sunshine. It's also more affordable for families and retirees, with a larger supply of newer and more modern homes. Residents love living in Northport for its 80 miles of waterways, nature trails, and lush walking paths. One of their longtime draws is the well-renowned Warm Mineral Springs, which brings people from Europe and beyond. So from a small Sarasota bedroom community, Northport is becoming more vibrant every single day, with new stores, new restaurants, and new schools. And with Northport, you can stay in the Sarasota A-rated school district. And they've even got the Sarasota County Technical College. From healthcare to hospitality, business to criminal justice, there's a career right in town for you. That's why I've been running around Northport the past few weeks, trying to find you the best possible deals here throughout the Sarasota region, or what we locals call the Suncoast. And that's why I'm here today, to find you the most affordable options. And here's another reason to buy new. For a limited time, Coastal Loans, Holiday Builders lending partner, is offering 4.99% financing. And Holiday Builders are offering $18,000 in flex cash to help you get into a new home. So if you're budget restricted, but still dreaming about getting into a brand new single-family home of your own, reach out to me today by phone, text, or email so we can get you the best possible deal and update you on the latest pricing, incentives, and availability. If you're in Northport and happen to stop by, make sure you talk with my good friend Holly Day. In fact, ask for her by name and let her know I sent you. You won't forget her name because it actually is Holly Day. Holly Day at Holiday Builders. I think you can remember that one. As always, we're not only your local experts, but we're also your new home experts. Schedule your free Zoom chat today so we can find the right home for you anywhere on the Suncoast. For Living and Buying in Sarasota, I'm Rob Rovnak. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.